Hey Stampers, it's Madeline from the WonderlandStamper.com. Look what is here. I cannot believe that we're already at that time. So this is the brand new catalog. It is gorgeous. I am so excited for all of you to receive it. If you have been my customer in the past year, there will be one coming out to you with some goodies. And that will be, let's see, the catalog goes live on June 3rd. So I will be sending it out a little bit before then so that it will get to you on time. So this is the brand new catalog. I can only show you the cover. Isn't it stunning? I am obsessed with the beauty of it. It's nicely matted. It's really nice. It's already, I'm using it too much already. I have to go get it covered so that it doesn't get ruined. So this is the beautiful cover. It gives you some hints of some of the colors that are coming back. Mint Macaroon is coming back. I am so excited. So they did decide to do a color revamp. So what does that mean for us? About 13 colors of Stampin' Up's colors are getting changed. So it is very exciting, but it's just something new that we're all going to be in the progress of changing over to. But for customers, for you, you need to think about if the colors that are going out are something that you love, you're going to want to stock up on them now and get the ink pads and the ink refills because they are going to go super, super fast. So let me talk to you about the new colors. So they did bring back some returning colors and they did keep some, or not keep some, but they brought some new colors in, but they also brought back some of the colors that people had really loved, like Mint Macaroon, and brought it back. So what they've done is they've kind of changed the structure of their colors. So I'm going to put it up on the screen for you. What they did was they kind of revamped some of the color schemes just so that they would go better together. And I'm just trying to find it in my catalog here. So they released the new in colors, Lovely Lipstick, Grapefruit Grove, Pineapple Punch, Call Me Clover, Blueberry Bushel. So that was awesome. Those are beautiful colors. The Grapefruit Grove is really what stood out to me. And then in the regular collections, they brought in the neutrals now have some other colors in them. So they changed that around a little bit. Basic Black, Very Vanilla, and Whisper White are part of their own collection now called Basics. And then in the neutral collection, they have Mary Merlot, Early Espresso, Soft Suede, Crumb Cake, Sahara Sand, Gray Granite, which is new, Smoky Slate, Basic Gray, Mossy Meadow, which is a really well-loved returning ink, and Night of Navy. So a little bit different than we're used to for the neutrals. And then the brights have a lot of different things happening. Poppy Parade, which is returning, Melon Mambo, Flirty Flamingo, which is part of our in colors that are going out, but it's coming back in, which I was really excited about. I love Flirty Flamingo. Mango Melody, which is brand new. It's gorgeous. Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, which is new. I love that color. The brights, I think, are going to be my favorite. Coastal Cabana, which is another favorite that's returning. Bermuda Bay, Pacific Point, and then Gorgeous Grape, which is new. Then on the subtles, we have Blushing Bride, Calypso Coral, Petal Pink, which is new, So Saffron, Soft Sea Foam, which is new, Pear Pizzazz, Mint Macaron, which is returning. I'm so excited. Pool Party, Balmy Blue, which is new, and Highland Heather, which is new. So now they also have, if you buy the pads all together and the refills all together, you save 10%, which rocks. Okay, and then lastly is our Regals. So those stayed pretty much the same. So we have Real Red, Cherry Cobbler, Cajun Craze, Pumpkin Pie, Crushed Curry, Old Olive, Garden Green, Shaded Spruce, which is new, Blackberry Bliss, which is returning, and Rich Razzleberry. Something else that is new then as well is that they also brought in tons of new blends. But before I get to that, you can just buy the new color assortment classic Stampin' Pads all together if you want, and you would save 10%. That way you can keep your collection all together, but you don't have to buy the whole collection, you know, of stamp pads again. So they did change their stamp pad layout. And I got to use it at convention and I loved it. It's just a new mold. It's much easier to open, and they are stackable. So they save a lot of room, which is awesome. So you can buy the new pads, the new markers, and the new paper, and you save money on doing that. And they also released brand new blends, which I was really excited about. So they are building that collection, which I was happy to see. I was wondering about that. Just trying to find them in here. I'll have it up on the screen for you. So they came out with brand new blends: Call Me Clover, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Highland Heather, Lovely Lipstick, Mint Macaron, Petal Pink, Pineapple Punch, Poppy Parade, Soft Sea Foam, Soft Suede. So it's really exciting because they are expanding those blends, which I'm really happy to see. Another great thing, and I'll show you it in person, the Stamparatus is in this catalog and it's live. So I just got my Stamparatus. I haven't gotten to play with it yet. I will have a video up for the Stamparatus. This video is going to take over Thursday's video, I think. I'm not sure yet. We might have a Stamparatus video on Thursday or on Saturday, so stay tuned for that. And we'll also have some kind of direct sales planner video as well this week. So the Stamparatus is awesome, and I can't wait to play with it. I have my magnets here, and it comes with everything. So this is in the brand new catalog, so as soon as the catalog goes live, you'll be able to order that for $49. And they also have the Stamparatus magnets for $12, so that's really exciting. There are lots of new stamp sets in here and lots of returning stamp sets, which is really exciting. They have a brand new kit, Notes of Kindness, that's gorgeous. And then they have a lot of returning things, so soft sayings, lots of happy. They have a new planner kit. They have a new calligraphy essentials kit. And then a lot of new stamp sets and a lot of returning stamp sets. So I'm going to go through really quick and tell you what is continuing. So Better Together is continuing. Flourishing Phrases. Half Full. Label Me Pretty. Graceful Garden. Climbing Orchid. Bike Ride, which I was really thrilled about. Bella and Friends, Pretty Kitty, Vertical Greetings, Special Celebrations, This Little Piggy, Lift Me Up, Hedge Hugs, Let the Good Times Roll, A Good Day, You've Got Style, Tabs for Everything, Pocket Full of Sunshine, Jar of Love, One Wild Ride, At Home with You, Thoughtful Banners, Bubble Over, Heartland, Coffee Cafe, Apron of Love, Hanging Garden, Hold On to Hope, Barn Door, Banners for You, Sitting Here, Perennial Birthday, Happy Birthday Gorgeous, Birthday Banners, Balloon Celebrations, Icing on the Cake, Picture Perfect Birthday, Birthday Wishes for You, Cake Soiree, Baby Bear, A Little Wild, Foxy Friends, Inspired Events, Fairy Celebration, Christmas Pines, Cookie Cutter Christmas, Star of Light, Night in Bethlehem, Nature Sings, Snowflake Sentiments, Hearts Come Home, Ready for Christmas, Labels to Love, Seasonal Chums, Best Birds, Floral Phrases, Beautiful Bouquet, Bright Wishes, Sunshine Sayings, Ribbon of Courage, Loyal and True, Sorry for Everything, Lemon Zest, Petal Palette, which I was thrilled about, Daisy Delight, which is another fan favorite, Thankful Thoughts, All Things Thanks, You're inspiring, beautiful you, beautiful day, artistically Asian, dragonfly dreams, Eastern beauty, painted harvest, sheltering tree, fabulous flamingo, playful backgrounds, high tide, country living, Tuscan vineyard, Mediterranean moments, lovely as a tree, waterfront, floral statements, southern serenade, magical mermaid, touches of texture, oh so eclectic, timeless textures, bunch of blossoms, swirly bird, colorful seasons, wood words, falling flowers, amazing congratulations, marbled, postscript, sheet music, burlap, tree rings, and hardwood backgrounds, hand-lettered alphabet, labeler alphabet, letters for you, brushwork alphabet, crafting forever. So that is a lot of stamps that are continuing. There is a lot more new ones in there that I can't wait for you to get to see this catalog and see all of the beautiful stamp sets that are in there. But I am excited of how much is continuing. So now I'm going to show you what I got at convention. So one of the fun parts of being a demonstrator is that you get to go to Onstage, which is awesome. It's a convention where you can learn lots of new things, get lots of new product, get the catalog firsthand, meet lots of new friends, go with your team. It's awesome. So if you want to be part of the Wonderland Stampers, that's just one of the many benefits of being a demonstrator. So this was a cute little centerpiece. They had a bunch of these in a vase on the table. So that was our nice centerpiece. We got a beautiful bag that I'm going to try to show you here. Isn't that beautiful? It's inside, it goes reversible. So there is an inside as well. I love this bag this year. So this is one of the new punches that I got for free. It has a corner rounder, a dot, and then this cute little pattern here. And I just love it. I'm always looking for a corner rounder. So you're able to push on all three sides of this, which I love. Love, love, love. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Then we made some projects with new stamp sets. I wasn't able to make this one. This has a really cool stained glass window card. And this is some of that paper. So this is just a taste of it. It has this nicely lined vellum that has designs on, and there's lots of different designs, but this was just two of them. Here's a card that we made. Isn't that beautiful? I am obsessed with mint macaron, and I'm so excited that it came back. Look at that specialty paper in the background there. Just gorgeous. This was another project that we made. Bring out the card here for you. Look at how nice that is. So they have laser cut paper in the catalog. So this is a watercolored back here, and then it has this over the top of it. So for the stamp sets that I got, here is one of them. This is Detailed with Love. It's got a really nice stitched looking stamp here. So many of my smiles begin with you. Let's celebrate. Life is sweeter with friends like you. Happy birthday. I love you and thank you. So this came in clear red rubber. So this was one of the few that I got. I also got Pick a Pennant. I loved this. Sarah showed an example card using this, and we were able to do two banners across a mini 3x3 card, and it was gorgeous. It's got this cute little birdie and flowers and all these cute designs where you can decorate the banners. So that is in clear photopolymer. This was the one that we all got in our bags, and I freaked out because it has a giraffe on it, which is my favorite. I'm so excited to play with this. This will probably be the first one I play with and show you how to use. I already have an idea of a Stamparatus card I'm going to do with the giraffe. So stay tuned for that. So that's Animal Outing. That came in clear red rubber. And then I won during Prize Patrol the Artisan Textures. Isn't that nice? I love the texture sets to add lots of fun things to my cards. I got a pad of Memento. I got this gorgeous Baker's Twine. This is Nature's Twine, and I love the different colors in there. And we also got this awesome, I haven't opened it up yet. This was our gift when we first arrived, and it's a light box where you can pick what you want the message to say. So I'm going to use it for the first time with all of you on camera here. And I'm going to set it up. So this was our gift when we first checked in. So it's got a plug. And it's a nice box that has all the letters that we want. I am so excited to use this. So it has Stampin' Up on it, Inspire, Create, Share. And it's all ready for us, I think. Let's see. You can use batteries or you can use a plug, it looks like. So it's really up to us. Let's do the plug. So I'm going to attach this in here. I just want to make sure that it's all working correctly. I'm going to plug it in. I have a cube here. There we go. It does work. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it off, and I am going to put the Wonderland stamper in here. So there's just tons of letters in here. So I'll speed through this and get it all set up. There we go. There's my awesome light. So I hope you liked this video. I just wanted to give you a quick share of what I got at convention and the new products and continuing products that are coming out. And I will keep you updated. There is some awesome specials that are coming that I can't wait to share with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on anything. And next will be a video on the Stamparatus. Stay tuned. For now, keep stamping, Stampers. Bye.